Hello guys, welcome to Clean Review. This vacuum cleaner from Akiara is going to change the way you clean your home. You can carry easily to anywhere thanks to its cordless mode. This powerful vacuum cleaner has high suction power and long-lasting battery. Best part is it comes with motorized attachments. Watch this video to understand more about this. Let's get started. I got vacuum cleaner in this box from Amazon. This cordless vacuum cleaner cost around 7,000 rupees. On front side, brand name and vacuum cleaner image is given. This vacuum cleaner comes with 1 year warranty. Using this QR code, you can register online. On back side of box, all features are mentioned. I will explain all these features clearly in this video. Let's quickly check what we got inside this box. This is wet and dry mop attachment. This is main motor unit. 2000 mAh removable battery. Floor head with motorized brush. This is extension pole. Large crevice tool. Small duster crevice tool. Charging adapter. Let me arrange this. These are all the items you got inside the box. This duster crevice tool has small brush at front which can be used for cleaning furniture or car interiors and even storage spaces and cupboards. This can be converted to crevice tool whenever required to clean near corners. We got this separate long crevice tool to reach small pieces and corners. This is main motorized brush attachment called floor head to clean all types of surfaces. On back you can see there is a brush with motor which takes power input from main unit through the pins to rotate brush for better cleaning. There is one more cleaning pad here. This attachment has more flexibility which can be moved in all directions. It has two wheels for forward and backward movement while cleaning. This is mop attachment for both wet and dry cleaning. It will not remove any dust while using this. This can be used to mop floor after cleaning dust using dry attachments. It has two rotating heads with detachable pads. There is a mini water tank at top. You can fill this with floor cleaning liquid. At top there is a knob to turn on or turn off liquid flow. Let me put this cleaning liquid into this. When it is in horizontal position, it will allow liquid drops to fall continuously. Vertical position is to turn off. This is main unit. It has 130 watt motor with 10 kilopascal suction capacity. At top near handle there is a power button and suction level button. This comes with 500 ml dust container. This is 2000 mAh detachable battery with 18 volts output. On back side there is a button to check battery percentage. This is charging adapter with 1 meter wire and 2 pin plug. It is easy to attach this battery by just sliding after matching terminals, and to remove just pull outside by pressing and holding this button. This is extension rod with 2 meter length. It has these pins all along to take power from battery to motor attachments. Attachments always should be connected at this side with release button. Main unit goes on other side. We'll talk more about this in demo section. Now let us clean this floor. Here you can see there is a lot of dust which we normally see in our homes. I'm going to use this motor brush attachment for cleaning this floor. I'm only using level 1 suction power here. Here you can see it is able to pull and suck all the dust easily. First, rotating brush attachment helps to remove the dust from the floor, and then high suction power supports to suck the dust immediately, which will help to clean any type of dust like paper pieces, hair, food pieces, and even small light dust. Its lightweight body and good design helps to clean at faster rate, covering large area in one sweep. Flexible design helps to rotate and move along the edges easily, which reduces required moves to clean. Here is the full cleaning demo video. It just took 5 to 10 minutes to clean this floor, and here you can see the difference. Normally cleaning areas under furniture is not easy. With this attachment you can easily reach those areas. LED lights at front helps to get clear vision for cleaning. Now efforts to move furniture while cleaning is not required. This floor head attachment can also be used to clean carpets. Here is the demo video. You can check the difference here. 90% of dust has been removed. Now I'm going to use this brush attachment with extension rod. You can use to clean small areas near walls. Brush at front helps to remove dust effectively. It can easily go deep into small places where floor head can't be used. Reaching heights is also very easy now. You can clean all corners of ceilings easily without worrying of dust falling on your eyes. Here I'm able to even clean ceiling fan blades. Due to less stability, as fan moves continuously, effective cleaning is not possible. This brush attachment can also be used to clean balcony or window rails to certain level. Sometimes rails will be smaller size, you cannot reach deep inside, but you can use this for quick cleaning. You can easily remove extension rod, and brush attachment can be directly connected to main motor whenever required for better angle while cleaning. Next, we will clean this sofa using this vacuum cleaner. Removing dust around corners and edges is difficult with normal cleaning. For this, I am using brush attachment and without extension tube, and this crevice tool to clean near corners. As this brush attachment can be directly connected to main unit, this becomes a mini vacuum cleaner. Here I am using level 2 settings for more suction power. Using brush attachment for this purpose is to remove dust from fabric easily. High suction power is recommended while cleaning furnitures. This is a demo video of furniture cleaning. Use this crevice tool to reach tight spots and corners. Crevice tools normally use more suction power due to small cross-section area. Here is the full cleaning demo video. Here you can see the difference. We can use this brush attachment setup to clean furniture storage, which is very difficult with normal cleaning. Similarly, you can use the same setup to clean your car interiors. So buying separate car vacuum cleaner is not required. We'll see now how to use this mop attachment. Here you can see sauce spilled on the floor. Let's clean this. I'm going to fill this liquid into this tank. I'm turning on liquid flow. This mop attachment will be helpful for cleaning any dirt on the floor. You cannot use this for mopping your entire home. This is just for quick cleaning. Here is the demo from another angle. At this price range, this vacuum cleaner comes with decent suction power. To show this, instead of using attachments provided inside the box, I am using this third-party attachment. It has big cross-section area and easy to check suction power with large pieces. Here you can see it is able to suck even large heavy pieces. With provided battery, you can easily use for 35 to 40 minutes with level 1 suction power and 30 to 25 minutes with level 2 suction power. And best part is this battery can be charged fully in 45 minutes. You can use this cordless vacuum cleaner in every corner of your home and can carry anywhere you want without worrying about power source. Clearing dust from container is very easy. You can just remove and dump entire waste directly into your dustbin. Coming to drawbacks, first thing is battery can be charged only after removing from vacuum cleaner. This is also kind of safety feature. As product is new, attachments were tight to remove while changing. There is no provision to hang or fix this vacuum cleaner to wall. Considering price, this vacuum cleaner is best for your daily cleaning and this is perfect gift for your parents. Check out this product if you are looking for budget cordless vacuum cleaner. I will add link in description.